Alright, Logan.
God, you're loud.
Give it to him out the sunroof.
Show him the one on our hood.
That's just a little seagull.
Oh,
Oh, you fell. See? Look, fine. It'll hold it up like this, and they'll take it right out of your hand. Come on, buddy. Oh, who scared him?
Who did it? Who did it?
We'll come back.
Come on. Here they come. Come on. Up here. Sunroof. Yeah.
Nice
You
one.
clenched onto my finger. Bum.
There you go.
You want some more?
Oh, you come on. He's coming for mine. Who wants this one?
I thought one was in our car. We should take one home.
No.
That would be fun.
No. There we go. Oh, he missed it. Nice job. Here you go. Oh, good job. Come on.
We got a nice breeze.
There you go.
Take it. Want it? It's alright.
Hi.
You bit my finger.
Did
You
it
didn't
hurt?
even get the food.
Did it hurt?
No.
I'm good.
You didn't even get the food.
Good job. Come on. Come on. Nice. Good job, buddy.
It's okay. Fly. You can fly.
Logan, hold it up top.
Birds.
Hold it up top. Just hold it up.
Want some more? I'm pretty sure we're not supposed to be doing this, but... Oh, you got some on your beak.
Sometimes so what?
YOLO.
Did you just say YOLO?
Yeah.
Do you want a smack?
No. What? You only live once. It's true.
Yeah. You can say that. You don't say YOLO because that's just stupid.